Hi everyone, Zach here, and welcome to the prep video for lesson 45 of this series in developing a survival game. This video and this series have been brought to you by Patreon sponsors like Haas. And if you want to help support this channel, all you have to do is hit that like button down below, or hit the subscribe and notify bell. And if you want to take your support a bit further, consider becoming a Patreon sponsor. Alright, let's make a start. So in the tutorial proper, we will begin the long haul of creating our foliage for our island, and we'll be using actors as well as foliage types. And because we're getting into the actor component of it, our herbs, our trees, and everything that we can harvest, I just want to do a very brief reminder of the layout of our system. So here's that reminder. Now, this only has 2 of 3 of our sub-masters listed here. So our item system, we have at the top level our item master. Underneath that, we have 3 children on here listed as 2, our equipment master and our resource master. These are the 2 we'll be primarily working with. In addition to these 2 is also the utility master, which we'll return to in a later section of the series. Under our equipment master from section 3, we have a weapon master and a head-mounted flashlight. Our weapon master will have various weapons underneath it at a later time, and our head-mounted flashlight, well, does what it says on the tin. And then under our resource master, we have a food master and a construction master. Under our food master, we have 2 sub-masters, a herb and meat master. We will, in a later section, add various meats when we get into our AI. And for our herb master, in this section, we'll be creating various herbs that we will use and plant throughout the island. For our construction, we have a tree master and a wood debris master. We'll come back to the wood debris master, or wood debris, later on. Our tree master is, well, what houses all of our various trees that we're making in this section. Now, if you want to improve this, you can switch this over to a data table approach or replace this with a flashlight master and make the head-mounted flashlight a child of the flashlight master. Alright, that takes us through what we need to discuss for this video. I look forward to seeing you in the tutorial proper, and I hope that you have a wonderful day.